Your soul has never been lost. It never wandered off, never disappeared, never abandoned you. It has always been here, quietly, patiently, waiting for you to remember. What gets lost is the mind, the part of you that spins stories, that compares, that worries, that doubts. It's the part that learns to live for others' expectations instead of your own truth. The mind gets tangled in the world's noise, in what you should be, in what success is supposed to look like, in what love is supposed to mean. And somewhere in all that noise, you begin to forget that you were never meant to chase yourself. You were meant to remember yourself. Your soul doesn't move away, it waits. It waits for the moment you pause long enough to listen again. It waits for the breath between thoughts. It waits for silence to return because that's where it lives. When you say, I feel lost, what you are really saying is, my mind has forgotten where my soul lives. And that's okay. It happens to all of us. Life pulls us into stories of achievement, of approval, of survival. And before we know it, we are living for something that isn't even ours. But there's a moment, a turning point, when you start to notice the exhaustion of pretending. When you stop trying to fit into the world's outline and start shaping your own. The moment is when you return to yourself. Your soul doesn't need to be found. It's need to be felt. It speaks through your intuition, that quiet nudge that tells you this feels right. It speaks through beauty, the way your heart softens at sunlight or music. It speaks through longing, the ache that reminds you that there's more to life than survival. The mind can get tangled in fear, but the soul always knows peace. The mind can get attached to stories, but the soul always knows truth. The mind can forget, but the soul always remembers. So, when life feels scattered or uncertain, come home to the stillness within. Breathe. Ask yourself, if I wasn't afraid of being behind, what would I want today? If I wasn't trying to be perfect, who would I be right now? That's your soul answering. That's your real self, the one who's always been right here, beneath the noise, beneath the stories. You were never truly lost. You were only temporarily disconnected. And every time you breathe, every time you pause, every time you choose peace over panic, you find your way back again. Here your challenge of the day. Take 10 minutes today to sit quietly. No phone, no distractions. Close your eyes and place your hand on your heart. Ask silently, what is my soul trying to tell me right now? Write down whatever words, feelings, or images come without judgment. Say aloud, my soul is never lost. I am always guided, always connected, always home within myself.